Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to safely eject this portable SSD from this device. So here you can see this SSD is connected to this device. You can see the name here. Actually, you will not get any option to safely eject this SSD, connected SSD. If you press and hold the name of the SSD, you will get three options. You can rename, you can erase, and you can get informations. If you go to the SSD name, here also you will not get any option to eject this SSD. If you tap on the three dots on the top right side, you can see here also you will not get. So let me show you how to safely eject this connected SSD from your device. Simply close all the applications on your phone and just remove this cable from your phone. That's it. So simply in this way we can safely eject the connected SSD from your phone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.